How's it going, everybody? Welcome to WeDoTech, and also a happy new year to all of you guys. So it is a new decade, the first of 2020. So hope you guys had a awesome last year and so just a wonderful New Year's Eve and everything. Hope you guys enjoyed yourself. So yeah, firstly I just want to thank you guys as well for all of the support last year and just also the years before. That channel is doing really well and it wouldn't be possible without you guys' support. So thank you so much. Honestly, didn't think I would do YouTube, so being able to do something that I love is just awesome. So without you guys, that wouldn't be possible. Thank you so much, guys. Now, you guys might have noticed that I didn't really bring out a lot of videos in December. The reason for that is just because I wanted to unwind, go on a holiday for a bit, because I haven't really done that in the last 5 years. Doing a proper vacation where I don't have to do anything. I wanted to make some videos like a travel vlog, but in the end, I just wanted to relax and not worry about anything. So that's the reason why I didn't make any videos or don't have a travel vlog for you guys. But it was pretty cool, got to relax a bit, and then also actually saw a bunch of you guys. Some of you guys came up to me and said hey, which was awesome. Sorry if I was a bit awkward, but yeah, it was just pretty cool to meet some of you guys in person and just talk for a bit. So if you guys see me wherever, come say hi. I might be super awkward, but yeah, just come say hi anyway. But now, let's quickly talk about some of the changes that I'm going to make across the channels. Again, I do have the WeDoTech and also with WeDoTech Extra YouTube channels and some other ones as well that I never really do anything on. But I'm going to make some changes to my two main channels. Now, currently, you guys know I make my reviews on WeDoTech, all of my gaming stuff and everything. But what I'm planning to do is move some of the more review type of videos over to WeDoTech Extra, because doing a review just takes up a lot of time the way I'm currently doing it, and honestly with the way YouTube is working, I don't really get much out of that. So some of the reviews I might move over to WeDoTech Extra, where I do have 4 cameras now. I can have multiple shots, the front cam, the side cam, the top down cam, and another cam. So I do have plenty of shots. It's not really going to change anything. It's just going to make the entire process of making the videos a lot faster for me, and then I can actually bring out more videos for you guys, because I don't want to just focus on certain type of videos. I want to be able to go through everything. If you guys are looking for a certain type of peripheral or whatever, I want to be able to review that and give it out to you guys so you know what you are going to buy. And that is the reason why I'm going to want to make the reviews a bit faster, so I can get that review out for you guys so you know what you're going to get. But because it's a bit more of a casual type of review, not on any of those crazy nice b-roll shots and everything, it is going to be a bit lower quality in my eyes, and that is why I'm going to move it rather to a second channel. I might still do, if it's something really cool, then I might still do it on WeDoTech, because I want to give it that high production quality. So then it'll maybe be on WeDoTech, but most of the things might steadily move over to WeDoTech Extra, and just anything else that I really want to do or talk to you guys about might go on WeDoTech Extra. Now, so my plans for WeDoTech, again still the main channel, is that I want to move over to a more kind of mainstream kind of tech. So I really want to do smartphones. That's something that I've wanted to try to get into for quite a while now. And it is a bit hard, especially for here in South Africa, but I have gotten some contacts, so hopefully we can get some smartphones in and do a few reviews on those, or just some other TVs, for example. I think that'll really be cool, and just other tech in general, something more interesting. Also, other type of videos that I want to make a bit more higher quality type of videos, where it might take me a bit longer to bring out. So for instance, I want to do a lot more builds. Now, I want to spice it up, because a build is a build. So I do have some plans where I want to incorporate doing a PC build with maybe building a desk as well, along with that building an entire setup in a series almost. do that type of thing and just spice it up completely. I want to do something a bit different. So yeah, that's some of the ideas that I have, and just some other ones that I want to do as well. Because I have been doing reviews for quite a while now, peripherals and all of that, but I want to move on to something a bit different as well. So we'll see how it goes. 2020, it's New Year. We'll see. But yeah, I have some plans that I want to try to try out. Yeah. Also, if you guys have seen my setup tour, you guys know that my apartment is really small. Everything is just done in this 4x4 meter room. So I am also going to move this studio over to the farm, to the ranch. That's going to be its name, the ranch, where I do have a bit more space that I can fully develop into a small studio over there, where I'm going to do more of the reviews that side and then be able to live actually in my apartment. Because doing the work at where you stay, and especially in such a small place, it's a bit hard to relax and just shut down after work hours. So yeah, that's just kind of my plan. You guys might see, I might even do like just a studio build series video where I'm just going to have to repaint everything, build all of the sets and all of that, because I do have a bit more space that I can change up a bit more. So hopefully that'll look cool in the future. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But I'm really excited for 2020. There's going to be so much more we can do here, and yeah, I'm just super excited because there's so many plans that I want to do. So hopefully you guys can stick with me through that. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions you want me to do, maybe for the set, maybe for like video ideas that you want me to do, then just leave me comments down in the description below. But now let's quickly get into the winners for the two giveaways, which again I should have done, but yeah, I'm so sorry. All right, so the winner for the Soto headset was just like a retweet on my Twitter post. The winner is Roxanne Grove. So Roxanne, yeah, you got yourself a headset. I'll message you on Twitter or Instagram. Yeah, I think on Twitter, and then I'll send it over to you. So congratulations. And then as for the winner for the SN750 SSD, so again, this was through the loyalty based system where the first people comment on videos got points. The people who spotted the Wookiee, which doesn't count now, but yeah, the first people who spotted that got points, and through that you actually build points, and the winner is going to win this. So just for the first three people, the top three. So thirdly was Roxanne with 3,000 points. So close actually, where you could have won the SN750 as well. Second was Emil Hoffman with 3,250 points. And then firstly, just with a 250 points more, was a Cheesy Chips or Kempi Base with 3,500 points. So Cheesy Chips, yeah, I'm going to message you on Twitter so I can send this over to you. So congratulations, and a big thanks to WeDoTech for supplying the SN750 for this giveaway. So a big shout out to them, and go check them out. Links will be in the description below if you want to get some the SN750 for you if you weren't the winner, because it's still a pretty badass SSD. So anyway, I'll contact all of you guys, send this stuff over to you, and then maybe we'll do some other giveaways in the future as well. Hopefully, if I can get some products that I can give away. Now, currently the loyalty point system isn't going to run for now. Once I have something that I'm going to give away, I'm going to announce it, and then we'll start with the loyalty point system again. So stay tuned for that. Again, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is watch the videos and kind of be the first ones to comment and spot the Wookiee and all of that. So it's honestly not that hard. It's just going to the people who support me the most, and yeah, I want to give it back to them. That's why I'm doing this loyalty point system. It's a bit more work, but hopefully it works out pretty nicely. So Cheesy Chips, again, Kempi Base, thanks for all the support, also for Emil Hoffman, Roxanne, and then all of the others as well. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, but yeah, that is pretty much it for this just quick little video. Just saying hi in the new year from 2020, new decade. It's actually pretty crazy. So yeah, a big thanks just to all of you guys for all the support. Again, without you, I wouldn't be doing this, something that I do love. So thank you so much, guys. Do appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully 2020 is going to be a blast over here. We can do a lot more reviews. Hopefully I can do something a bit more interesting for you guys, a bit more fun, which you guys will hopefully enjoy. We will see. And then hopefully I can meet some of you guys more in person. If you live in South Africa, hopefully I can see you, because it's really cool to meet some of you guys, just talk for a bit, even though sometimes I'm a bit awkward, sorry about that. But it's cool just to chat with you guys. So yeah, I hope to meet a lot more of you guys in the future. But anyway, hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's, and then hope you guys enjoy 2020. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and I will check all of you guys next time. Cheers, guys.